Guys, I
Short
just
video.
I just realized that my video is getting boring and I got no views for that two video. It I accidentally posted. It was a mistake of uploading the video like that. It was cringe and I'm very sorry guys. And please subscribe. Hit like and subscribe and ring the bell. I will upload some ML videos tomorrow, which is you don't know Mobile Legends. That is a popular game in Philippines, which is made by China, and is the most popular game in Philippines right now. So you must play. This is a sponsor by ML. Bye guys, subscribe.